Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover what is a jigsaw used for. Okay, here I have a jigsaw, and what it is, it's a reciprocating saw. The blade cuts an up and down stroke. The blade rides on a small roller here, and that helps stabilize the blade when you're making curves. And basically what it's designed to do, because it has a small narrow blade, it works really good for cutting in patterns, designs in wood, circular patterns. You can be used for cutting something like a circular pattern out of a piece of plywood, or maybe rounding off or arching the corners on a bench stool. It has a lot of different uses because of the small blade. Gives a good versatility for cutting small circular patterns or things of that nature. Okay, a jigsaw can also be used for cutting a circular pattern out of the inside of a piece of wood, and the way you do that is taking a paddle bit of about a ½ inch or larger and drilling a hole on the inside of where your circle pattern is, and then by using that hole you can insert the blade into the wood and start cutting your pattern out. So there's just a few examples of what a jigsaw is used for.